你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 5. There are 11 compound strokes, which all begin with the basic stroke héng. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the first 2 ones and 6 new characters. Well, let's get started. This compound stroke is called héngpiě, which consists of 2 basic strokes, héng and piē. Very simple, but you need to remember that there is no any gap here. When you write it, the 2 parts are supposed to be connected. Let's look at some characters which have this compound stroke héngpiē. This character is Han. It has 2 parts. The left part is the water-related component. We learned this component in our previous lesson, so I can tell you that the character Han is originally related to water. Actually, Han is from a river's name, which is Hanshui. It's located in central China, and the river gave its name to this region, which is Hanzhong. Before this man became one of the most important emperors in China's history, he once ruled this region with the title King of Han, and later he founded his imperial dynasty and named it as the Han Dynasty, Han Chao, which is considered the first golden age in Chinese history. That's why we call our language Hanyu, our characters Hanzi. The right side of the character Han is you, which has no meaning here and is just one part of the character Han. Let's look at 2 examples with the character Han. Chinese people speak Hanyu and write in Hanzi. Hanyu is Chinese language. Hanzi is Chinese character. Here is the correct stroke order of Han. Write the left water-related component first. Dian, dian, ti. Then the right part, héngpiē and na. 5 strokes in total. One more time. Dian, dian, ti, héngpiē, na. Han is originally a river's name. Then the river gave its name to the Han Dynasty, and through it to Chinese language and Chinese character. This character is. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.